Good morning, students. In the last class, we were discussing about the sum of interior angles of polygons. Today, let's discuss and do some problems related to sum of interior angles of polygons. Let's start our class with an activity. Find out. Here you can see two questions. The sum of interior angles of an n-sided polygon is dash. What is the sum of interior angles of an n-sided polygon? Yes, very good. N minus 2 into 180 degree. The sum of interior angles of an n-sided polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now the next question. In order to find the sum of interior angles of an octagon, it is divided into dash triangles. To find the sum of interior angles of an octagon, it is divided into dash number of triangles. Yes, very good. 8 minus 2 triangles, that is equal to 6 triangles. We have already studied in the previous class that in order to find the sum of interior angles of a polygon, it is divided into n minus 2 triangles. Here the value of n is 8. As it is an octagon, it has 8 sides, therefore the value of n is 8. Therefore n minus 2 means 8 minus 2, that is equal to 6 triangles. Very good. Students, here you can see a chart. The chart containing some shapes, number of sides and sum of angles. Look at the first figure. What is the name of this figure? Yes, it is a triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? Yes, a triangle has 3 sides. And what about the sum of the angles, sum of interior angles of a triangle? We know that the sum of interior angles of an n-sided polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Therefore, yes, 3 minus 2 into 180 degree. Here n is 3. Therefore, 180 degree. Now, look at the next figure, the second figure. It is a square. We can generally classify it as a quadrilateral. How many sides does a quadrilateral have? Very good. A quadrilateral have 4 sides. Then what about the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral? Yes, 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. That we can write it as 2 into 180 degree, which is equal to 360 degree. Now look at the next figure. What is the name of this figure? How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Therefore, it has 5 sides. Then what is the name of this figure? Yes, it is a pentagon. Then what about the sum of interior angles of a pentagon? Yes, 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. Since the n value of n is 5 here, it is 3 into 180 degree, which is equal to 540 degree. Now look at the last picture or last shape. What is the name of this shape? Let's count its number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It has 6 sides. Therefore, it's a hexagon. Then what about the sum of interior angles? N minus 2 into 180 degree. Here n is 6. Therefore, 6 minus 2 into 180 degree, which is equal to 4 into 180 degree, that is equal to 720 degree. Okay students, from this chart we can say that, look at the first shaped triangle, sum of interior angles of this triangle. We can say that the sum of interior angles is 1 into 180 degree, that is 180 degree. Then the second figure is a quadrilateral, sum of the interior angles is 2 into 180 degree, that is 360 degree. In the case of pentagon, it is 3 into 180 degree, which is equal to 540 degree. And look at the last case, in the case of hexagon, it is 4 into 180 degree, which is equal to 720 degree. From this, we can conclude that the sum of interior angles of a polygon is a multiple of 180 degree. Here, the first case triangle, it is 1 into 180 degree. Quadrilateral, 2 into 180 degree. Pentagon, that is 3 into 180 degree. And hexagon, that is 4 into 180 degree. Likewise, it goes on. In the case of heptagon, it is 5 into 180 degree. Likewise, we can say that the sum of interior angles of a polygon should be a multiple of 180 degree. Sum of interior angles of a polygon should be a multiple of 180 degree. Now, let's do a problem related to this concept. Look at this question. Is the sum of all the angles of any polygon is 1600 degree? How about 900 degree? Is the sum of all the angles of any polygon is 1600 degree? How about 900 degree? We know that the sum of interior angles of a polygon should be a multiple of 180 degree. From the chart, we understood that the sum of interior angles of a polygon should be a multiple of 180 degree. Here, what we have to find? Yes, we have to find whether 1600 degree is a multiple of any polygon or not. For that, we have to divide this 1600 degree by 180 degree. That is equal to 8.888. Is this an integer? No, this is not an integer. Therefore, 1600 degree is not a multiple of 180. From this, we can conclude that 1000 degree cannot be the sum of interior angles of any polygon. Now, let's check about 900 degree. That is, whether 900 degree is a multiple of 180 or not. What we have to do first? Yes, very good. We have to divide this 900 degree by 180 in order to check whether it's a multiple of 180 or not. We get it as 5. Therefore, what we can say? Yes, 900 can be written as a multiple of 180 as 900 is equal to 5 into 180. Therefore, from this what we can say? Yes, 900 is a multiple of 180. Therefore, 900 degree can be the sum of interior angles of any polygon. Hope you all understood the concept. Thank you, students.